Welcome back to another episode. This one is going to be insane. Myself, Sammy, D-Man, Jared and Jacko, we're dropping the boat in right now and we plan to go camping. Our furthest destination is probably going to be about 100 kilometers out to sea. Along the way we're just going to island hop, reef hop, spear, fish. This is the first time we've been camping in the big boat. We actually haven't been able to get out this far in a long time because we've had so much boat dramas. So we're all so excited about this. The sun's just coming up down there and it's already so sick. What a way to start the trip. Look at that sunrise. It's absolutely crazy. Got all the boys in the boat now and we're steaming out. Woohoo! Yeah! There we go! This is so good! Woo! This is the shit that'll live for, eh? This is the good stuff. Thank you so much, Genesis Craft Boys, for hooking us up with this boat. We haven't been able to do this in so long, and this is our bread and butter. We've been doing this since we were Groms, so woo! I haven't been this excited in so long. We're just steaming out to the first destination out the islands. We've come across like a big show on the sounder. There's just a heap of bait. There it is, look at all that bait. David! He's fishing Mongolian. Oh, David! Take the drag! Take the drag! You got this! I'm not a fisherman! Oh no! What's happening? It's oh no! Fisherman! We suck at fishing! Come on, bring it up! Oh, I'm backing. That's the stall.
Oh, yeah, see how it's doing the thing on the tip?
This is a big fish.
The thing on the tip.
We can do a team effort.
The thing on the tip's doing something. Oh,
that's definitely not in the lesson.
That's right, Jared.
Where you going?
Oh, no!
Spatter. Oh well.
So it wasn't that far from the boat.
Boys suiting up. The water temp. It is 25.9, 18 meters of water, and I'm going to drop Jared right on that spot where we hooked on whatever that fish was because it was a beast. I've never dived this spot before, just found it with the new sounder. Nothing really on that ledge, so we're going to keep pushing forward, check a few more ledges. Got a bit of a rule on this first day because we're not out to, you know, rape it or kill the pig. They're sort of just looking for prized fish today. No big esky fillers, no big mackies, no big rankins. So trout, red, jobbies, all good fish hopefully on the first day. If later on we're struggling, obviously we'll get in and shoot something like that. And of course we'll just take our lunch and our dinner, so hopefully some pan-sized fish. We got the first stuff up of today. It's probably my fault, I didn't check, but I left the bung out in the kill tank and it's filled up. Hey, what's it in there, Jared?
Good temp.
Look at this thing light up. Look at the bait all the way up. That's huge. Boys just dropped in. Fingers crossed. Jared come up, he says 22 on the bottom on his watch. So 22 up to about 20 on top.
All three are down. Fish might be on.
Lovely specimen.
That's where I gazed in the first time.
Oh, what?
First drop was a success. Jared got a nice red emperor. That's sort of what we're targeting today. So we're just going to keep pushing out towards these further islands and have a dive on the way and keep exploring. We're just cruising along about 20 knots and I'm just like sounding out some ground as we go. It's so blue, so we're going to do some bombs on some new ground. Just looking for a couple of spikes and stuff. Jared's going to chuck the line in. We've just seen some action up here. Slow it down a bit. Oh! Whoa! You got a grumpy face on now. Look, it's not even set tight. Yeah. I saved it. Jared on. Jared's on! Jared's on! Jackson's in, Jared's on! Pop his shoulder out. Jared's off! He's off. What? Push him in! I got pushed in. It's Sam! What? Sam's left. Is it on or is it still look? Oh! Oh! Take the boat up. Oh! Watch out, someone GoPro! Spin it the other way, bro.
Talk us through it, Sam.
Yep.
What is it, mate?
It's a I don't know.
It's a fish.
Yeah, it's a fish.
It's a fish. Probably.
Oh, do the... Pull the... Oh,
No.
oh we suck! We suck. Sounded up some new ground, it looked really promising, and I just seen the boys double drop. Jared was down there and Jackson's gone after him, so normally that means that there's a fish on. Yes, we got a fish. We got a fish. We have a fish. Show us what you got there, mate. Oh, nice mangrove jack. Very nice. Good shot. Were you on the bottom?
Close to it to 20 metres.
What's it like down there?
Pretty dirty.
Dirty.
But the ground's sick. So
Yeah.
it's up again.
Beautiful,
But
man.
I didn't see much else, but yeah, this is
That's a good fish. A red and a red for you.
tasty.
All right, Jared with the nice jack. So now we're having a jig off. Sammy on this side of the boat, D-Man on that side of the boat. They both suck at fishing, and we're gonna see if one can get a good fish. Jacko's on, the sneaky third competitor.
Oh, it's a
Moses perch. That's a solid one too. So Jackson's on here for something quite good. Sammy's got his line, caught around Jackson's line.
I think so.
Come on, Jacko, we need to see some sort of colour. We can't lose another one.
You'll be right. Easy does it. Easy does it. We're starting to see a bit of colour. D-Man's in the drink there, filming it. Drag it in, eh? Nah, not in. Woo! Give it a kiss. Oh, get it in there. See ya, buddy. Uh-oh.
Not D-Man. He's good.
Oh, no, he's good. He's out of here. Thanks,
Alright,
mate.
brother.
Check out what that tuna just spat. It's like
With the mohawk on. It's an oarfish.
just pulled into one of the islands, and we're all starving, so I'm going to drop the pick and cook up one of these fish that Jared just shot. Are you ready, Jared? Going to drop down. Red, Jack, 2 fish in the boat early this morning. Pretty much 2 of the best, really. Such good fish. Well done, Jared. Good work, mate.
Which one should be up for lunch?
Jesus, I don't know how to pick. Rock, scissors, paper. If I win red, if you win Jack.
Alright, 1, 2, 3. Jack.
Jack. Looks nice and clear. And I'm going to get the drone up in the air and have a little explore. It's going to be bloody magic, man.
I was so sure of our love. I never thought of any reason, a doubt about us. And now I'm right back at the start. Halfway through a bottle, baby, and nothing to know. I thought that I could keep it low. Take it easy, take it slow. We ended up just like before. So take it easy, take it easy. Thought that I could keep it low. Take it easy, take it slow. We ended up just like.
Boys just spotted a big queenie out the back. Oh! 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 Let the drag out of it! Let the drag!
Come on, Jared.
Oh! Jared just reefing it in.